Today's topic is ribosomes. Ribosomes were discovered by Palade in 1955, and the term ribosome has been introduced by Roberts in 1958. Ribosomes are so called because of a higher content of ribonucleic acid. They are the cell organelles discovered with the help of electron microscope. Ribosomes are found in all types of cells. In prokaryotes, they are found in the cytoplasm in the free form and are called monosomes. In eukaryotes, ribosomes are usually associated with the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes are attached to endoplasmic reticulum through ribophorines. Many ribosomes may be associated with messenger RNA to form polyribosomes or polysomes. अभी हमने न्यूक्लियस में इसको डिस्कस किया है. मैसेंजर आरएनए पॉलीराइबोसोम्स के हेल्प से प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस करते हैं. राइबोसोम्स आर द स्मॉलेस्ट ऑर्गेनेल इन द सेल. द एवरेज साइज ऑफ राइबोसोम्स रेंज फ्रॉम 150 एंगस्ट्रॉम to 230 एंगस्ट्रॉम. Unlike other cell organelles, ribosomes are not bounded by membranes. They, in addition to cytoplasm, also occur within mitochondria, chloroplast and nuclei. So ribosomes are called as organelles within an organelle. Ribosomes of bacteria, mitochondria and chloroplast are of 70 types. In prokaryotes, 70s. Ribosomes is found. It is composed of two subunits, 30s and 50s. कल हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में ये बताया था. सेडिमेंटेशन कोएफिशिएंट S means and eukaryotic cytosol. Ribosomes are called 80s. It is composed of 40s and 60s subunits. Ribosomes are made up of ribosomal RNA and proteins. Ribosomes have almost equal amount of RNA and protein. In 70s, it's found in prokaryotes and it's divided into two parts, 50s and 30s, and 50s further divided into three parts, 5s ribosomal RNA 120 nucleotides and 23s ribosomal RNA 2900 nucleotides and 34 proteins, and the other part 30s, it's containing 60s ribosome and 1540 nucleotides plus 21 proteins. And the other type of ribosomes means eukaryotic ribosomes is it's 80s, and 80s divided into two parts, 60 are 40s and 60s further divided into three parts, 5.8s ribosomal RNA 160 nucleotide containing, and 5s are small r means ribosomal RNA 120 nucleotides, and third one 28s ribosomal RNA 4700 nucleotides and 49 proteins including. And the 40s, it's divided into two parts, 18s ribosomal RNA containing 1900 nucleotides and 33 proteins. And the major function of ribosomes are the protein factories of the cell, and it gives code for protein synthesis of nitrogen bases of DNA of chromosomes. formation of messenger RNA by transcription, and the next function is they forms a template in cytoplasm. A special type of amino acid activate by ATP and forms transfer RNA. They forms polypeptide chain by peptide bond attachment of amino acids. And next, formation of one protein molecule by translation method. Next cell organelles is cytoskeleton, an elaborate network of filamentous proteinaceous structures present in the cytoplasm is collectively referred to as the cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton in a cell are involved in many functions such as mechanical support, motility, maintenance of the shape of the cell. The cytoskeleton is an intracellular framework composed of microtubules, microfilaments and intermediate filaments. Cytoskeleton help to define and control the shape of the cell. Means inside the cell, all organelles placed at the fixed position and like a rack, different racks डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनेल्स के लिए होते हैं और वो सेट पोजीशन पर ही होते हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि किसी सेल में कहीं पर माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया होगा और दूसरे सेल में कहीं और. सबकी पोजीशन सेट है और वो अपने अपने रैक में ही वो सेट होता है. और जो रैक बने होते हैं वो माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल से बने होते हैं और उसी को साइटोप्लाज्मिक स्केलेटन कहते हैं. माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स आर were discovered by the D. Roberts and Prensi. The term microtubules was coined by the Slaughterback in 1963. They are long, hollow, cylindrical structures formed by the polymerization of two parts, subunits of globular protein. Ribulin into helical stalks. Microtubules play a role in general cell structure and in cell division. They radiate from each end of the cell to form a basket-like arrangement which help in the movement of chromosomes to poles. They also play a key role in the structure of movement of cilia and flagella. And the next intermediate filaments are a microfilaments. Microfilaments are long, thin structure. It's a polymerized protein and actin proteins. Actin and myosin, two type of muscular proteins होते हैं बॉडी में, जिसमें कि एक्टिन जो होती है वो माइक्रोफिलामेंट से बनी होती है. दे प्ले अ स्ट्रक्चरल रोल, इंटरैक्ट विद द माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स एंड इंटरमीडिएट फिलामेंट्स टू स्केलेटन. इंटरमीडिएट फिलामेंट्स, मेनी यूकैरियोटिक cells have tough rope-like bundles protein known as intermediate filaments. They consist variety of the proteins like keratin, vitamins and lamin like keratin. It's found in cattle horns and nails. They provide mechanical stability to the cells. And the other organelles is cilia and flagella. Cilia and flagella में flagella most important है because it show the 9+2 arrangement. And cilia maximum in numbers, and flagella 1 or 2 in numbers. It's a hair-like extension form the cell surface. That movement of the eukaryotic motile cilium and flagella structurally is identical. Each is a bundle of 9 fused microtubules. The electron microscopic study of a cilium or the flagellum show that they are covered with plasma membrane. Their core called is axoneme processes a number of microtubules running parallel to the long axis. The central tubules are connected by bridges and is also enclosed by a central sheath which is connected to one of the tubules of each peripheral tube doublets by a radial spoke. Thus there is 9 radial spokes. The peripheral doublets are also interconnected by linkers. Like this means peripheral region में 9 spokes होते हैं एंड सेंटर में 2, तो इसको 9+2 अरेंजमेंट कहते हैं और ये फ्लैजिला में होता है जबकि सीलिया में नहीं होता है इस तरह का. इन नॉन मोटाइल और प्राइमरी सीलिया द 2 सेंट्रल सिंगल microtubules are absent. And the difference between cilia and flagella, many hundreds per cells. Cilia maximum in numbers, small in size, few but flagella less than 10 per cell, few in numbers. And the short hair like appendages, long thread like, in case of euglena, 1 pair flagella found in anterior part of the body of euglena. And in paramecium, the pellicle, the outer layer of pellicle, in case of paramecium and thread like structure are cilia present, outer layer, and then locomotory organ. It's used in locomotion. And cilia has an average length 5 to 10 μm, but flagella are the 150 μ in length. Wave like undulating motion, but flagella rotational like a motor. Cilia beat together, but flagella beat independently. And the next organelles is centrosomes and centrioles. Centrosomes, it's a rounded pairing structure and it's traced by the T. Boveri in 1888. They found in animal cell and plant cell, algae, fungi and mosses except rhodophyceae near the nucleus in cytoplasm. And the centrosomes, inside it's a binocular like structure inside the centrioles, and centrioles it's take part in cell division, and the astral rays like a raised thread like structure and hanging the chromosomes at the ending part of the centrioles in cell division. And different phases like interphase, metaphase, telophase and anaphase stage, the chromosomes attach through the centrioles. The centrosomes contains the organelles known as centrioles. The centrioles are always found in pairs oriented at right angle to each other. Centrioles is a cylinder wall composed of 27 microtubules arranged in 9 triplets to long axis 9+0 arrangement. Centriole is the structure in the cell concerned with spindle formation during cell division.